What indicators make a successful massage therapist, and how can you get yourself there? Hi, I'm Beth with Cantata Wellness. Welcome to my table talk. We are discussing what makes you successful as a massage therapist. I think there's a lot of things that go into it, and certainly there are a lot of different ways to be successful. So, you want to find a place where you feel comfortable working, but also remember that what you do in the massage session isn't the only thing that's going to make you successful. Some of the work that you do before a session or after can really make a difference for your clients. So, going that extra step can really make a client feel seen and feel like they want you to be their massage therapist and the only massage therapist that they'll see. So, before you get started with a client, you want to make sure that you welcome them and that you're ready to listen to their uh, health history and kind of what's going on in their life. We're lucky as healthcare professionals um, that we get to spend time talking to our clients. That's one thing that you'll find doctors and nurses really don't have a lot of opportunity to do. They're overworked, they have to move quickly. And so we're one of the few healthcare professionals who really get to spend time with our clients. So spend time with them, listen to them, and let them feel heard. And then once a session's over, you want to make sure that you thank them and that you go ahead and rebook them before they get out the door. But another thing that you can do, especially with a new client, is to do a follow up call the next day. Check in with them, see how they're doing, see if the session helped, if there's anything you can do for the next session that might be different. Um, and sometimes people use that as an opportunity to upsell and maybe get that client to stay longer or to do some add-on services that might be beneficial to them. It's easier to boost a sale with a client who already knows and trusts you than it is to go out and find a new client. So if you can do a few of these things and really put yourself out there, you are going to make clients want to only see you because you understand them and you make them feel seen. And that's important in healthcare. So, comment below on your favorite thing to do for your clients to help them feel seen and make them feel like you are the only massage therapist for them. And we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.